Hello everyone. If you try to delete your Instagram account and you don't know how to delete your Instagram account, this video is for you. In this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. Not temporary. There are two options. You can delete your Instagram account temporarily or permanently. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So go to Instagram. From here you go to the more option. Here you can see the settings menu. Go to the setting. And now you can see there are no delete option. Directly you cannot delete from here. So what we can do, we go to the help option. Now go to the help center. Now you can see from here manage your account. From here you can see the delete your account. So I click on here. So now you can see temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, delete your Instagram account and access your data on Instagram. So I click on delete your Instagram account. So now you can see temporary deactivate account, delete your account. So I click on this, delete your account. Now you can see this another page is appear. So I click on something else. So I'm going to click this account. Now you can click on delete. This is my email address. Now if I click on delete, my account will be deleted. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel.